Hi, today in front of me Motorola Razr 2022 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just to do that, I set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast and correct. And just unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock feature. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the pin code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.